The radius of a right circular cylinder of maximum volume. Here put underline there, which is having maximum volume. Cylinder is having maximum volume. Radius of right circular cylinder of maximum volume, which can be inscribed in a sphere of radius capital R. The cylinder inscribed in the sphere. The cylinder inscribed in the sphere. This is a sphere and this is cylinder. The cylinder inscribed in the sphere, which is having, this is having maximum area. This is having maximum area. Volume or area. Once read the question. The radius of right circular cylinder of maximum volume. This is having maximum volume. This is the center. Indicate with, this is a capital R. Capital R is the radius of sphere. I am writing here, capital R is the radius of sphere. Radius of sphere. And this is small r is base radius of small r is base radius. Small r is base radius of cylinder. Small r is base radius of cylinder. And this is h. Total h I am writing as 2h, students. This is a small h. Let the name here go AB. This is small. Total height. Total height of cylinder. Total height of cylinder is 2h. This is OAB and this is R. This is B. Once again I am writing properly. This is the base radius concept, like this. So this is small r, enough. Using the right angle triangle concept, we can say let this is A and this is B. OB square. OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square, we can write. OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. So you can write here R square is equal to H square plus small r square. So R square is equal to capital R square minus H square, you can write. Small r square equal to R square minus H square. Volume of cylinder I am writing. Volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder formula V is equal to pi R square H. Here H means total height 2h. So V is equal to pi into R square, means you can write capital R square minus H square. Capital R square minus H square into 2h is the total height. Now you can write pi into R square into 2h minus 2h cube. This is the height. So V is equal to 2, you can take common. If you don't write also, no problem. Here you can write R square into h minus h cube. H minus h cube. To calculate the volume is min or max, you can write now dV by dH. dV by dH equal to 2 pi into R square into 1h derivative minus 3h square equal to 0. So I am writing here 3h square is equal to R square and h square is equal to R square by 3 and h is equal to R by root 3. Total height he is asking. Total height. Total height 2h we thought. So 2h is equal to 2R by root 3. Total height 2h is equal to 2R by root 3. He asked radius R. No problem, leave it. Don't cut off this one. Radius R. So what is radius R in terms of h? Radius in sphere of, just wait. Radius of a right circle, smaller he is asking. To find out, here you write. This is total height 2h I had written. Now to find out the radius small r of the cylinder. radius of cylinder. So what is the r, what is the small r here in the box I have written. So r square is equal to, put the name 1 and from 1 I am writing here. From 1 r is equal to root of capital R square minus h. Now the value h we got here r square by 3. So small r is equal to 3r square minus r square 2r square by 3. This is 2r square by 3 over root and small r is equal to, you can write full square root of 2 by 3 into capital R. Here it is third option. Next students, let us discuss about 23rd question. The height of the cylinder of maximum volume that can be inserted in a sphere of radius capital R is height, he asked. This is the height, this is the answer of 23rd question. Simply. So 22nd and 23rd merged in a same question. Now let us discuss about 24th question. 24th question. one. The height of cylinder of maximum curved surface area that can be inserted in a sphere of capital R. The height of cylinder, maximum curved surface area. You should calculate the height. Total height in previous method I am writing 2h, because in middle I used to say that is h. This is a smaller base radius and this is a capital R sphere radius. Let this is O, this is A, this is B, this is H. This is also cylinder, the height of the cylinder, maximum curved surface area. Curved surface area of cylinder S is equal to 2 pi RH. So we can use curved surface area. Here directly you can write h square plus small r square is equal to capital R square, and r square is equal to capital R square minus h square. Curved surface area. Curved surface area of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder S is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH, but H we thought as 2H. H we thought as 2H. So S is equal to, now I am writing 4 pi RH. 4 pi RH. So let us discuss about squaring both sides. So S square is equal to 16 pi square r square h square. 16 pi square r square h square. So S square, you write f of h. F of h is equal to 16 pi square. 16 pi square, instead of h square, r square, you can write r square minus h square into h square. So f of h I am writing as 16 pi square into capital R square h square minus h power 4. Don't write 0. H power 4. To calculate whether the curved surface area is minimum or maximum, you can write here 16 pi square into r square into 2h minus 4h cube equal to 0. Now you can take common as 2h. 2h into 16 pi square. 2h into 16 pi square into r square minus 2h square. Okay. Equal to 0. Here h equal to 0 you should not write, because h height should be there, height should not be equal to 0. So you can confirm that r square is equal to h square. H square is equal to r square by 2. Therefore, you can write here h is equal to r by root 2. H means here we need total height. Total height. 2h is equal to 2r by root 2. So this is equal to root 2r. Students, I know that this is an important sum in IPE. Maybe you done in any method, no problem. I said the proof here, h is equal to root 2r, which is the cylinder which is having curved surface area as maximum, which is inscribed in a sphere, is having height as root 2r. So the relation between the radius of sphere and height is root 2r. Now let us discuss about 25th question. About next question, 25. 25th question, an open cylinder given surface will have maximum value of radius. Students, this is open cylinder. Open cylinder. So top, this is open. There is no circular place here. This is closed under. Let this is smaller and this is h. An open cylinder of given surface will have maximum volume. Surface area I am writing here. Surface area of open cylinder. Surface area of open cylinder. S is equal to 2 pi RH plus pi r square. Original curved surface area is 2 pi RH. This is the base area pi r square, and this is another base area pi r square. You may get S is equal to 2 pi r h plus pi r square plus pi r square. If it is closed, you can face that one in 28th question. This is 25th question, only one side is closed and one side open. So only 1 pi r square. Now let us discuss about open cylinder given surface area will have maximum volume. So volume of cylinder formula V is equal to pi r square h. So let us discuss about here 2 pi volume of cylinder I am writing here. Volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So regarding this one, regarding 25th question, we can write here using eliminating h. So taking as r square terms, you can write here h is equal to s minus pi r square. S minus pi r square by 2 pi r. So that implies I am writing here V is equal to pi r square into s minus pi r square. Pi r square into s minus pi r square by 2 pi r. So pi r square h we had written like this. Now s minus pi r square by 2 pi r I had written. Instead of, now we should calculate the volume of cylinder. So V is equal to, so pi r square, let us get cancelled. Here what I am writing, pi r square into here 2 pi r I had written. Pi and pi got cancelled, r get cancelled. I am writing here r into, here r by 2. R by 2 into s minus pi r square. So V is equal to s into r, sr minus pi r cube by 2. If we do that, dV by dr is equal to s minus 3 pi r square equal to 0 there. So s is equal to 3 pi r square. S is equal to 3 pi r square. Whatever the surface area we got, s is equal to 3 pi r square we got. Now which one we should calculate? S, the total surface area, yes, we got as 3 pi r square. Now if we substitute the value here, that is 1, from 1 I am writing. From 1, 3 pi r square you write. 3 pi r square is equal to 2 pi r h plus pi r square. 2 pi r h plus pi r square. Taken that side, pi r square you can write. This is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square equal to 2 pi r h. 2 pi got cancelled. R square got cancelled. R equal to h. So here in this question H is equal to R is there. Now let us discuss about 26th question. 26th question, the volume of cylinder. Try to understand students, here he given as volume of cylinder, volume of greatest cylinder which can be inscribed in a cone of height h and a semi-vertical angle alpha. Let us draw the diagram of a cone. This is a cone. Semi-vertical angle alpha he given. In the cone, a cylinder inscribed. In the cone, a cylinder inscribed. This is a cone. This is the radius of cone. He given the total height of the cone is h. Total height of the cone is h. This is base radius of cylinder. Base radius maybe it is r. This is total height. Let the height of vertical angle alpha, then you can write here the small part h minus x. This is the base radius small r, this is the base radius small r. You can put the values here a, b, c, d, e like that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is H, this is I. Given height of cone. Given height of cone is equal to H. Let I am writing height. Let height of cylinder. Let height of cylinder equal to x. Base radius. Base radius of cylinder. Base radius of cylinder is r. Now in triangle I am writing. Therefore, AI I am writing. AI is equal to h minus x. Draw the triangle here. This is A, this is I, this is H, capital H. Here it is angle alpha. This is H minus x. This is H minus x and this is small r. Now you can write here in triangle. By adjacent r by h minus x. So you can write here r is equal to greatest cylinder he is asking. Now you should calculate volume of cylinder. What is the volume of cylinder? V formula pi r square h. Here h means we thought as x. So V is equal to pi into x into, instead of r you can write h minus x whole square into tan square alpha. Pi x into. So V is equal to, you can write this here as pi into tan square alpha into x into h minus x whole square is equal 0. Now you should calculate dV by dx. Whether the volume of cylinder is min or max, dV by dx is equal to 0. And here pi tan square alpha into, this is UV method, UV dash plus VU dash. X into, like this you write 2 into h minus x plus internal derivative minus 1 plus, now 2 into h minus x into minus 1 plus h minus x whole square into 1 is equal to 0. Now dV by dx is equal to dV by dx is equal to pi tan square alpha, taken that side. Okay, let us write here now. Pi tan is 0. This one taken that side. So h is equal to x, you should not write, because height of the cylinder and height of the cone should not equal. Now you can write h from 1. V is equal to pi into h by 3 into h minus h by 3 whole square into tan square alpha. So V is equal to pi into 3h minus h, 2h by 3 whole square, 4h square by 9, and here you can write 9 into 3 is 4. I am writing here 4h cube by 27. 3 into 9 becomes tan square alpha. Tan square alpha. This is an important bit in advanced 4 pi by, and standard bit in mines 4 pi by 27 h cube tan square alpha. In 2001, 27 tan square alpha. Here it is, first option. Now let us discuss about 27th question. 27th one. A right circular height of cylinder of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius 12 centimeters. Students, 27 question depends upon the formula. Whatever the formula we discussed in 23rd, I think, let us discuss. 2r by root 3 in 23rd sum we discussed. I am writing here same as 23. Same as 23rd question. Here is 23rd question. Height of cylinder of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius capital R is 2r by root 3. H is equal to, there we got 2r by root 3. Write the formula and apply here. Height of cylinder of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius 12. So given capital R is equal to 12, you should calculate H. So 2 into 12 into root 3, you can write here 2 into 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. So 12 can be written as like this. Root 3 got cancelled. So 8 root 3. 8 root 3. Yes, first option. It is first option. Next, let us discuss about 28th question. 28th question. A closed cylinder of given volume will have least surface area, then ratio of its height and base radius. Closed surface. Closed cylinder. So in previous model, same as 25th question. Here it is closed, here and here. Base radius is there. Total height h, this one. This is r and this is r. A closed cylinder given volume will have least surface area. So volume he given. Given volume, let B is pi r square h. V is equal to pi r square h. Will have least surface area when the ratio of its height and base radius. Surface area I am writing here. Surface area you can write S is equal to original curved surface area 2 pi r h, and this is pi r square and this is pi r square. You can write 2 pi r square. So S is equal to 2 pi r h, 2 pi r square. You can write here S is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square, taken r square. Here you can write h r square. Here S is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square given. So whenever 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square given, using here you can write r square is equal to v by pi h, otherwise pi h. H is equal to v by pi r square. Anyhow we can get the answer. Let us discuss the condition of 28th question. So he given the condition that a closed cylinder of volume given surface area is least. If we take here h is equal to v by pi r square, using h we can take, anyhow we can take, no problem. H is equal to v by pi r square. If we write here instead of h, v by pi r square. Let us write here S is equal to 2 pi r into v by pi r square, okay, plus 2 pi r square. Here pi and pi get cancelled. S is equal to 2v by r square plus 2 pi r square. 2v by r square plus 2 pi r square. ds by dr I am writing. By taking 2 common, 1 by r square derivative. 1 by r square derivative minus 2 by r cube. Minus 2v by r cube you can write, plus here 2 taken common, pi into 2r is equal to 0. So 2 into, here you can write minus 2v by r cube. I am writing here 2v by r cube. 2v by r cube is equal to 2r pi. 2 and 2 get cancelled. So v is equal to pi r square h I am writing here. V is equal to pi r square h. Instead of v I am writing pi r square h by r cube. Here r pi you can write, pi and pi get cancelled, r square get cancelled. Here r square by r cube. 2r pi, this is 4r pi. Whenever 2 we have taken common, this is a 2r. 2r pi I have written, 2r pi is equal to 2v by r cube. So r power 4 is equal to v we can write. Pi r square h we can write. Let us discuss the cylinder. Correct only. 2 pi, 2v by r, everything is right. 2 pi r h, s is equal to 2 pi r h plus pi r square. 2 pi r into v by pi r square plus 2 pi r square, everything is okay. Next 2 pi r got cancelled. Here r I did not get cancelled. Here I done mistake. Here I done mistake. So once again we do. S is equal to 2 pi got cancelled. Here r get cancelled. So S is equal to, now you write here 2v by r. 2v by r plus 2 pi r square. Now I am writing ds by dr. By taking common ds by dr, here 2 into 1 by r derivative minus 1 by r square minus v by r square plus 2 pi r you write here by 2 taking common, derivative here r square derivative to r. Now you can write here 2 pi r is equal to v by r square. That implies we can write here 2 pi r is equal to, what is the value of v? Pi r square h. Pi r square h by r square you can write. Now r square get cancelled, pi get cancelled. 2r is equal to h we got. So h by r he is asking, 2 by 1 is the ratio. It is the correct option. According to 25th question you can say directly this one, as there is no closed, so there is open curve. We got r is equal to h there. So this is 2 times. In the similar way, using 25th question also you can say directly, and this is another method. Now let us discuss about the 29th question. Height of cone of, this is 29th question. Once again I am saying, the height of cone of maximum volume. This is the cone. Height of cone of maximum volume. So height of cone only we should calculate, students. Height of cone of maximum volume we should calculate, which is inscribed in a sphere. Let us, this one, according to this condition, let us discuss. This is height, everything correct we have done previously. Let this is, so this is a radius from center to this one. For sphere I am saying. Yes, we have done mistake in previous way. This total height I have taken, but until here only we should take. This is R. So this is an important point which I forgot. This is H minus R and this is small r. So this is total height. Let the radius now, let this is O, this is A, this is B. Let H be the height of cone. H be the height of cone. Now R be the radius of sphere. R be the radius of sphere. Therefore, O capital A is equal to H minus R. This is the important point which we forgot previously. So OA, this is the main point. OA is equal to H minus R. In triangle OAB, R square is equal to small r square plus H minus capital R whole square, because OAB, if this is C, OC is also radius of the sphere. It is also capital, this is also capital. This is total height minus this part is equal to H minus R. Until here, from here only we should calculate the mistake. We should not do like previously. R square plus H minus R square. Now V is equal to volume of cone I am writing. V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square H. 1 by 3 pi r square H. Using this one, V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square H. You can write here small r square is equal to capital R square minus H minus capital R square. So V is equal to, once again I am writing as pi by 3. Pi by 3 into, instead of small r square we write capital R square minus H minus capital R whole square into H. So that is equal to pi by 3 into, expand this one, R square minus H square minus R square plus 2HR into H. R square get cancelled. That is equal to pi by 3 into 2H square multiply this one. 2H square into capital R. 2H square into this is capital R. 2H square into capital R minus H cube. Now I am writing this is V, and dV by dH I am writing. dV by dH is equal to pi by 3 into 4H capital R minus 3H square equal to 0. we can divide with h pi by 3 into this is 4r minus 3h equal to 0. You can write now 3h is equal to 4r and h is equal to 4r by 3. The height of the cone became now 4r by 3 is the third option here. Now let us discuss about 30th question. 30th question. An open rectangular tank with square base. Try to understand that this is having square base. The open rectangular box which is having a square base, and these are in rectangular way, but the base is square base. This is a base. This is base. Let us put the names O, A, B, C, D, E, F like that. O, A, B, C, D, E. Base I am writing O, A, E, F. O, A, E, F is equal to square base I am writing. O, A, B, F. This is square base. So side means here OA is equal to FA is equal to X. Here I want to discuss with you length and breadth are equal, but height is not equal. An open rectangular tank with a square base and 32 cubic centimeters capacity has least surface area. So this is separate, different. Let I am writing here. Let GF or AB or anything is equal to Y. Volume formula V is equal to LBH, but it is a square base. So this is X and this is Y. X into Y you write. X into Y he given as 32. Now you can write here Y is equal to 32 by X square. Leave that. Next we should discuss about surface area. The surface area for open rectangular box, the surface area we should calculate as square base area and total faces area. The faces became length and breadth separate. That is why we can consider as this as rectangles. Total surface area I am writing. Total surface area S is equal to area of square plus area of, this is a square means a square base OEFA. I am writing here OEFA plus 4 rectangles. Try to understand. This is not rectangle, this is open. So this total 4 rectangles. I am writing here ABGF plus ABCO plus CDEO plus this one DGEF. Okay, DGEF. Try to understand for this one length or for everything, students, this is X, this is X, this is Y. So first that implies area S I am writing X square plus 4XY, because XY plus XY plus XY plus XY like that. S is equal to X square plus 4X into Y we thought here as 32 by X square, as 32 by X square. Next S is equal to, we can think here X square plus 128 by X. Okay, 128 by X. Now I am writing whether the area is min or max. 2X minus 128 by X square equal to 0. With 2 you can divide and take an LCM, it becomes X cube equal to 64. So X is equal to 4. Now if you need area, I am writing the area S surface area like I had written. Here you can write 4 square plus 128 by 4. So this is 32, students, this is 32. So 4 square value 16. So total area S I had written here, S is equal to 32 plus 16 became 48. So 48 is the area here. Next let us discuss about 31 question. Question number 31. A box is made from a piece. A box is made from a piece of metal sheet 24 centimeters. A box is made from a metal sheet 24 centimeters square by cutting equal small squares. These are. A box is made from a piece of metal sheet 24 centimeters square. 24 centimeters square by cutting equal small squares from each corner by turning up the edges. If the volume of the box is maximum, then the dimensions of the box. Square he given, this is right, this is 24. This is also 24. If a square sheet cut off, here he is asking dimensions. So we should not use shortcut. Okay, 24. Let length I am getting, length of box. This metal sheet prepared as a box. Prepared as a box. This is length, this is breadth, this is height. Length of box I am writing. You have learnt in mensuration 7th class, 8th class, 9th class. Length of box is 24 minus 2x. And breadth I am writing. Breadth of box is equal to also 24 minus 2x. Height of box is wherever the cut part is there, that only. Height of box equal to x. Now I am writing volume is equal to, volume V is equal to LVH. So V is equal to, you can write 24 minus 2x into 24 minus 2x into x. 24 minus 2x whole square. Let us write here V is equal to 24 minus 2x whole square. So 24 minus 2x whole square I am writing as a minus b whole square formula. So 24 minus 2x whole square, you can write here 24 whole square 576. 576 minus 2, 24 the 48, 48 2s are 96x plus 4x square into x. P is equal to, again you multiply and write in proper way. So 4x cube 90 minus 96x square plus 576x. Now you write dV by dx to calculate whether the box volume is min or max. P is equal to 12x square minus 192x plus 576 equal to 0. If we divide by 12, dV by dx is equal to x square minus 12 ones are so 16 plus 12 fours are 48. This is plus 48 and 9, 48 equal to 0. 12 fours are, so factors are there. So x minus 12 into x minus 4 equal to 0. So x is equal to 12 comma x is equal to 4. If we put x is equal to 12 here, 24 minus 24 becomes 0, there will be no box. So this is inadmissible, this is no, don't take this one. So x is equal to 4 you take. What he is asking, length of piece or cut part or volume, read the question and write the dimensions. Now 4 we got, only first option. Length is equal to 24 minus 8, that is 16, and breadth also 16 and height is 4. So first option is here. Next, let us discuss about 32nd question. An open tank is constructed with a square base. In the same way, just what we said previously. An open tank constructed. An open tank, 32nd question. An open tank is to be constructed with a square base. Let us draw the diagram with the square base. So this is base. Let us write the names O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. An open tank is constructed with a square base and vertical sides to hold a given capacity of water. The expense of lining the tank with lead is least when the ratio of the depth and the width. Depth to find out, I am writing. To find out depth and width. Depth comma width. So depth in the previous sum. Here I am writing same as 30th question I am writing. Same as 30. So the data we are using. So depth you think as y, we thought there. Width as x. Here he is asking that the lining the tank with lead. So lining the tank with lead means painting like this. So painting is not possible with volume. Total area, this one. How many parts are the total entire part should be covered. Area meaning itself is the occupied region by any closed geometrical diagram is area. So total area we need to find out, I am writing. To find out total area. Total area in the 30th question we discussed, I think S is equal to first x square plus later 4xy. First x square and later 4xy. He is discussing it is least. So y and x only we thought. An open rectangle tank is constructed with a square base and vertical sides hold a given capacity. The expense of thinking. So anything the data should be given. So the data V is equal to, now we should write here LBH. V is equal to LBH in the similar way x into y. Here x square y we thought. Y is equal to, you can write here V by x square. Substitute the value s is equal to here x square plus 4x into V by x square. X square got cancelled. The area S is equal to x square plus 4V by x square. X 4V by x. Now I am writing to find the surface area. To painting it is least. ds by dx is equal to 2x minus 4V by x square equal to 0. With 2 you can get cancelled. X cube is equal to 2V. X cube equal to 2V. So what is V? X cube is equal to what he is asking. V is equal, let us write x square y. V is equal to x square y. X square y is equal to, he is asking depth y to x. Y by x should calculate. Y by x, let us write here, write here the name 1 and here the name 2, second equation. To find out I am writing. Already to find out depth and width I had written here. To find I am writing here the ratio depth to width y by x. According to options y by x you should calculate. Y by x from 1 and 2 I am writing here. From 1 y by x is equal to, you can write here v by x cube. Using this one here, from 2 you write now. From 2. From second equation, x cube became 2v. So v by 2v you write the ratio is 1 by 2. 1 is to 2 is the second option here. 32nd question. Now let us discuss today 33rd question also. 33rd question. A box without lid. Students, shortcut is there. I will say shortcut only for this question. Previously in synopsis we discussed that one regarding 33rd question. Process also I will say you do homework. A box without having maximum volume is made out of a square metal sheet of edge 60 centimeters. Side indicate with here 60 centimeters. If the side is A, then by cutting square pieces, equal square pieces from the four corners and turning up the projecting pieces to make the sides of the box, the height of the box, like this, a square piece, a metal sheet, cutting this one, x, a square, this is a square side. When it is a square side, cut part formula, cut part is equal to A by 6 I said, in synopsis is there. So A by 6 cut part is equal to 60 by 6, 10. So how will you get the same process? L minus 2x, B minus 2x, L by H and x multiply, you get everything, you get here A minus 2x into A minus 2x into x. In the same way, in the same process as 32nd question, 31st question you follow if you need. Otherwise simply use the shortcut. Today last question, it is working model 34. From 35 onwards another model. These are word problems. Today I am going to finish off these sums. This is the last question. 34th one. A box is made with a square base and open top in the same model. A box is made with a square base and open top. Square base and open top. Let us write the names O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A box is made with a square base and open top. The area of the material used is 192. Here area given same as I am writing as 30 question. Same as 30 question we discussed the area. Area, surface area, total area, yes I said there, x square plus 4xy I said. X square plus 4xy he given as 192. X square plus 4xy he given as 192. The area of material used 192. If the volume of the box is maximum, then dimensions of the box. So let us discuss about y x square plus 4xy he given 192. So let us write y is equal to 192 minus x square. 192 minus x square by 4x. Volume V I am writing. Volume of the box is length into breadth into height, x into y. So volume V is equal to, you can write here x square into here 192 minus x square. Instead of y I am writing here 4x. You can get cancel x and x. So you write here V is equal to 192x minus x cube by 4. dV by dx I am writing. To find the volume is min or max 192 minus 3x square equal to 0. With 3 you can get cancel. 64 equal to x square you get. So x is equal to 8 you get. So therefore dimensions he is asking. Dimensions is equal to, we got as x is 8 and x is 8. Y is equal to 192 minus, here you can write 192 minus 64, 128. 128 by 32, maybe 4. 8 to 4. Yes, 34, third option is there. Okay students, you have completed the questions in word problems. Let us continue in another model in next class.